I'll be cooking skin-on salmon with a blackened Mexican dry rub and a cilantro lime rice. We've rinsed our jasmine rice. Now we're gonna go in with a couple of garlic cloves, some lime zest, and a little bit of olive oil. Get this on the rice cooker. Our rice is done cooking. Finish with chopped cilantro, juice from half a lime. We're gonna go in with the whole lime and a pinch of salt. Give that a stir. We're working with a beautiful fillet of Alaskan salmon. Just double checking there are no pin bones. And this section here will overcook, so I am gonna remove that, set it aside, and cook it up for my son Zane. This has been descaled as well. Now I'm just gonna score the skin for a better crust and for a more even cook. Avocado oil as a binder. A little bit of salt. Now for our spice rub, we've got chopped dried onion, Mexican oregano, ancho chile, and garlic powder. Now we season both sides. A little bit more avocado oil. Oil should be dancing. Lay the fish down away from you. Press down to make sure the skin gets a nice sear, and we leave it here for the majority of the cook. We give the flesh side a quick sear to get some color as well. All right, we're almost up to temp. We're gonna give it another flip, add in our butter, and we baste. And this is our skin-on salmon with a blackened Mexican spice rub and our cilantro lime rice. Super flaky, look at that. Gotta get some of this lime on there. Wow. The flavors happening right now are incredible. The blackened Mexican spice rub is just so rich, so amazing, and follow that up with the brightness from the cilantro lime rice. It's incredible.